Imagine this. You're standing alone. 5 people in front of you. No backup, no escape in sight. Your heart starts racing, your mind goes loud, and one wrong decision can change your life forever. This is not a movie. This is not about looking brave. This is about reality. And today you're going to learn why fighting is the last option, not the first. Most people believe strength means throwing punches. They believe respect comes from aggression. They believe walking away makes you weak. But that belief has ruined more lives than fear ever did. When it's 1 versus 5, your body is already at a disadvantage. Numbers mean chaos. Chaos means unpredictability. And unpredictability means permanent damage. The real problem starts before the situation. Distraction, carelessness, ego, head down, phone in hand, no awareness, no control. You don't notice the signs. You don't read body language. You don't feel the shift in energy. And suddenly, you're surrounded. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. If you reach a 1 versus 5 situation, the fight already failed at the awareness level. Real strength is not reaction. Real strength is prevention. It's noticing exits. It's staying in lighted areas. It's choosing distance over drama. It's understanding that your goal is not to win a fight. Your goal is to go home alive. Discipline shows up here because your ego will scream, "Don't back down." Your pride will whisper, "Show them who you are." But discipline says something different. Discipline says, your future matters more than this moment. Walking away is not fear. Running is not weakness. Avoidance is not cowardice. It is intelligence under pressure. Strong men don't fight every battle. They choose the battles that matter. And most street fights matter to no one, except the person who gets hurt. When you train your mind daily, you react less. You observe more. You stay calm under pressure. You control your movements. You control your decisions. And over time, your identity changes. You become the man who doesn't need to prove anything. The man who values his future. The man who understands that power is control. Remember this forever. The strongest person in a 1 versus 5 situation is not the one who throws the first punch. It's the one who stays calm, thinks clearly, creates distance, and walks away unharmed. Protect your life. Protect your future. That is real strength. If you want to build discipline, awareness, and a mindset that protects your future, comment control over ego if you believe real power is discipline, not fighting, and subscribe to the Unwritten Path. Because here, we don't train weak motivation. We build strong control.